Welcome to the majestic world of nature, where tranquility and beauty unite to offer us an abundance of benefits. In this video, we will embark on a journey to explore the countless rewards that await those who embrace the wonders of the natural world. In the midst of our technology-oriented and fast-paced lives, it's easy to forget the significance of connecting with nature. However, when we venture into the great outdoors, we open ourselves to a world of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. First and foremost, being in nature offers a myriad of advantages for our physical health. Engaging in outdoor activities like hiking, biking, or simply walking amidst the lush greenery provides us with an opportunity to stay active, enhancing our cardiovascular health and boosting our immune system. The natural sunlight fills our bodies with vitamin D, promoting strong bones and a positive mood. Amidst the serene landscapes and gentle sounds of nature, our stress levels begin to melt away. Research has shown that spending time outdoors lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, leading to reduced anxiety and an improved sense of well-being. Nature offers us a sanctuary of calmness, allowing us to rejuvenate and find solace from the pressures of everyday life. Nature has a remarkable ability to clear our minds and enhance cognitive function. Stepping away from the constant distractions of screens and urban noise allows our brains to recharge. In these moments of quietude, creativity flourishes and innovative ideas flow freely. Many artists, writers, and thinkers throughout history have sought inspiration from the wonders of nature. Embracing nature during the day can even lead to better sleep at night. Exposure to natural light and the calming effects of nature help regulate our circadian rhythms, leading to more restful and restorative sleep. Say goodbye to tossing and turning and hello to peaceful dreams amidst the harmony of nature. As we immerse ourselves in nature, we find an opportunity to reconnect with our inner selves. Mindfulness comes naturally in these settings as we become attuned to the present moment, fully appreciating the beauty around us. The sights, sounds, and smells of nature awaken our senses, grounding us in the here and now. Nature provides an excellent backdrop for fostering relationships with family and friends. Exploring the outdoors together encourages communication, teamwork, and a sense of unity. Shared adventures create lasting memories, strengthening the bonds between individuals and forging connections that stand the test of time. As we come to the end of our journey, let us not forget the invaluable gifts that nature offers us. From improved physical health to enhanced mental well-being, nature generously bestows its blessings upon us all. So, I encourage you to take the time, step outside, and embrace the world that surrounds you. Discover the beauty, serenity, and magic of nature, and watch as it enriches your life in ways you never thought possible. Let us cherish this precious gift of nature, for it nourishes not only our bodies but also our souls. And remember, the more we immerse ourselves in nature's embrace, the more we become one with its profound and timeless wisdom.